Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so if you watch other episodes on this channel, I've reinstalled all operating systems on them, I mean 2, and these are now up and running. The one Fire one is the bigger one, has damaged screen on the level that you can use it, so I won't be replacing it. I've got kids going, now on a trip, so that will be useful. And then when I'll come back, I'll decide if I want to sell them or not. But today we got a Toshiba laptop. We can plug that in and see what it does. And we need to fit this drive as well. So yeah, today I've got 2 jobs and I finished one, and I was doing one alarm at one garage. So let's start it and let's see what it does. I will put first a bit on the side because this is not working. No, okay, it's booting up. Sorry. I don't want to put it straight away. So, okay, so the CR2032, the battery is dead. That's okay. Can correct it. I can show you this part. This is not an issue. Here. Look. You can see that it's Intel Celeron, yes, and 2nd edition because it's N2, yes. So 2 is the edition, 2nd edition, 4 GB of RAM. So now the problem with this will be that this battery, if it doesn't hold, and I will need to either charge it or replace it. 25th of June. So month is June 20. Can we do, yes, 25th I said, or 26th? 25th of June. Cool. And it's time now needed. So hours, it's 17. Can we? Oh, we can't put by. Oh well. 1706. Oh, 06. Well, let's do 07. That's fine. So, anyways, that's everything. Language English. Save and exit. Yes. Let's boot it up. I'll put you here back because I don't have the customer details. There's a name and surname. I don't know what's the public domain and so on, so I don't wanna know. Toshiba is booting up. Now, customers said that this laptop to check this laptop, that was the first foremost. Now I see that the battery needs either replacement or charge. Now I know it's only 4 GB of RAM, so that would be the first issue. 8 would be like the minimum. And I can hear the HDD, so in that case an upgrade to SSD would be recommended. But we need to see what customer will say. Now I see that the system is loading slowly, and found a problem. Okay, so we need to switch it off and look for the Toshiba recovery key. But I need to ask customer if customer has any important data on the hard drive, because if no, I will lose their data. So let me ask the customer first, and then I can continue this recording. Okay, I'll be unpausing and pausing because I'm chatting with the customer. So either F12 or 0 is the recovery, and we are okay. We get a green line to remove everything. So let's check for F12 first. Function hold down, and that's automatic recovery, so no. Or button 0. Press and hold. Oh, that was press and hold, sorry. So either button 0 or F12 is the recovery mode. But the good thing is that we can remove everything. Okay, so it doesn't do anything when I'm holding. No. Okay, I'll need to pause because I need to speak with a customer. Guys, so I found a few problems. One of the biggest problems I have is that I can't enter the recovery mode at all. The next problem is that I heard clicking noise. And clicking noise means nothing good. So the drive is working, but it's looking like it's at the end of its lifespan. Now the problem only is that, you know, we can't save them all. It's impossible. We can't save them all. So customer said that there's no like no big issue if I'll remove everything anyway from the hard drive. So I'd say let's not go to that way. Let's first see if we can try to apply a different drive, or test this drive and see for ourselves if the drive is faulty. If so, we can let customer know that unfortunately if she want to use this laptop like ever again, she'd have to consider an upgrade for the drive. We have different lengths. No, we got all the same lengths of the screws. So unfortunately that's the case. So we thought we can maybe reinstall operating system, you know, and that's us, but that's not the case. What can we do? I've got here 500 gig, but that's not for the customer. That's for the iMac, which I do believe that's the older one. So in that case, there will be a high-speed fan movement if we will just replace the hard drive, and then we need to install additional software so that it can go back to the original RPMs. Okay, so you got it. Yeah, and it's a regular hard drive. I've heard it right. Now, with this hard drive, does it have any extra mounting, or that just the rubber to balance? No, just the rubber to balance it. So that's fine. Now what do we see here? We do see here 4 gig, one slot. We don't see any other slot. So, ooh. Guys, this is one of those laptops where they are just. This laptop doesn't come with a fan. So what does mean, you know, this can't perform brilliantly. These laptops, yes, these laptops are the cheaper ones, because mainly you've got those with a fan, which are more efficient, and those with no fan, so that's mean less efficient. So that's the laptop which is less efficient. Now, I can take this on. Oh, sorry guys, I closed the thingy. I can plug it in and plug it into the computer. Oh, helper, my magnet helper, it's not helping. Okay, let us hook it up to the PC. Proper spin. I don't hear clicking. Okay, maybe click here and there, but it's not that it's like a lot. I would say this should run normally. Computer should recognize it. And let's check. Actually, no. Computer doesn't see this drive. And a clicking noise. Don't know if you can hear this clicking noise, but it's worth oh, look. You see? There is it found something. So we've got it. Documents and settings. Do you know which operating it is? That will be Windows 7 in this case. Okay, so this hard drive is no use. I'm telling you straight away, the access on this hard drive is really slow. Users, public, nothing in the downloads. Pictures, nothing. Video, public, desktop, where's desktop? Nothing. So it's looking like somebody would reinstall the operating system, but it's empty. Definitely, because that's not working. That's not working the proper way. Basic data partition, 2 GB. Let's check how many gigabytes is taken. 3 GB, 4. Let's wait and let's see. 5 gig. Because it's showing 910 free, 910 gigabytes free. But I can't recommend any like use of this laptop with this hard drive. Excuse me. Either customer will decide to put an SSD, or it will be pretty much not worth for the customer to use on this hard drive. That's a really slow hard drive. And I don't know, is it because it's faulty, or it's because, it's just old? Either or, but it's too slow to operate. So there are two issues with this laptop, and I'm not even telling about the lack of fun. It is what it is. and there's literally not a lot of space to put it. Okay, so it's 8 gigabytes. That's pretty much Windows. That's you know, and customer said we can wipe it anyway. So yes, the reading of that data, it's just useless. I had a disks, and a startup disk thing, imagine. Manage disks and drives. Okay. That's WDC, that's HDGST. Okay. J micron bridge, that's the one. And there is a file system partition, like recovery environment. So it was, but it's not accessible anymore. You can't access it. And what can we do here as well? Okay, so that's it. I can say that it's no point to investigate it. I can benchmark the disk, start benchmark. Okay, here. Okay, ooh, that's a drop. So I'll show you what our drops are on this. Okay, I'm showing myself, that's stupid. Screen, I'll switch that off. Okay, so that's I'm frozen. Window capture, that's what I wanted. OBS disks. So here you can see, oh, you can't see. So I can't show you. Now there is a problem. I can tell you only because it frozen me, so yeah, I'm frozen. Literally I'm frozen and I can't do anything. So anyway guys, the benchmark, yes, the benchmark is bad. It started at 115 megabytes per second and has a lot of drops, and it's declining to about 75 to 80 drop down, and then those milliseconds are bad as well. So guys, this hard drive is no use. It's no use for the customer, and I can say that I need to tell the customer to replace the hard drive. So customer need to choose either used or new one and what they want. Yes, so that's what it is. And it's a shame only that I can't show you the picture of the benchmark, but unfortunately my picture has frozen, so I don't want to record it again. But now we see what we can do and how we can test. Any benchmarking software for the hard drive will do, you know, so it's not a problem. You can just Google for your operating system. I've got a built-in here because that's Linux, and Linux has built-in benchmarking software, this Kubuntu here, so I don't have to install anything extra, yes, to test the hard drive. So that's a good thing. But apart from that, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.